Alhamdulillah, this year everyone's Eid was together. My brothers, if you have influence upon any masjid, any community, this is my personal, I'm not giving any fatwa or anything. Let us bring everyone on the platform of local moon sighting. Yes, everyone is following Saudi, mashallah, and when it rains there, we wear the raincoat here also. When it's sunset there, we make iftar here also. So alhamdulillah, we follow the moon also, no problem. But at the moment, we all know there's major questions being raised. And not by myself, by big ulama and big scholars. Come on to local moon sighting. If 10, 15, 20 masjids can change, all you need is a heliport, that's all you need. Inshallah, I'll fly the helicopter for you. All we need is the entire Leicester. We're spending millions of pounds, mashallah, building our masajid. Just get one heliport. So every month, once a month, you can give Maulana a good ride into the clouds, see if the moon is there. If the moon is not, I'm not saying me, I'm saying another Maulana. Yeah. See if the moon is there. If the moon is not there, you come back down, your local moon sighting is done. Nevertheless, that's another topic on its own.